When I went to Taiwan recently for Computex, I just had to indulge in one of the more interesting parts of the tech superiority. Yes, the entire biggest industry runs on just one thing. Or well, two things if you're counting electricity. The other being this. A chip-like snack called Guai Guai. No, I'm not joking. This thing is sacred to anyone in Taiwan who works on electronics, with it apparently having the mystical power to prevent computers from messing up. Like, this is the kind of stuff that IT teams will leave in the server room before going on vacation to ensure that everything continues to work in their absence. And it's not just those kind of people. It's regular folk as well using this in their homes, and it's even some of the largest companies in the country, and even the government doing it. So what exactly is it all about? Well, the trend started mostly in the late aughts, and since then a lot of conventions have come around when it comes to this product. First of all, you can only use these special green types of Guai Guai. You can't use the special yellow or red packet variants, seeing how those colors are a bit too aggressive and usually indicate errors, while green is always the color of things going right with your PC rather than things going wrong. You also can't use them past the expiration date, so companies usually stock up on this stuff and replace it when necessary. Why this snack specifically though? Well, it's probably something to do with the fact that the name literally means to be obedient. Not to mention that the possibility for puns is literally endless. I mean, come on, it's like computer chips and edible chips, you know, funny and stuff. So yeah, they take this stuff extremely seriously there, and it was definitely on show at Computex. Not only are companies also collaborating with the brand to make their own special varieties of Guai Guai, but even the Guai Guai mascot himself, whose name is apparently just Guai Guai, plus fun fact, according to the company, he's a Sagittarius, appeared in the most random of places at the convention as well. The front of the packaging also comes with some space to write any kind of wishes on, though with my handwriting being as awful as it is, I doubt the magic Guai Guai pixies will even be able to decipher what on earth I'm on about. And the back of the packaging even comes with sheet music. I mean, how many snacks in the West can even say that? Though granted, they come in this strange Chinese musical notation, which we did actually convert, and it sounds something like this. So forget your Chinese Lucky Charms and Lucky Coins, this is the real deal, apparently. This strange little coconut chip thing. And yes, I call them chips even though I live in the UK. Okay, so I guess the last thing I have to do is to taste these. Because no, I haven't actually tasted these yet. I haven't tested this savior of mine from all my PC problems. So let's give it a go, shall we? That was probably great audio. Okay, unless you're like from Eastern Europe, you have no idea what I'm talking about, but they kind of look like flips, if you know what I mean. Oh, they're sweet. Like, I knew they're gonna be sweet because of like the coconut flavor, but I didn't expect them to be like actually pretty sweet. What am I supposed to be doing? Like making a video? I can't just be eating this all day now. This is the channel now. I'm just eating Guai Guai on this channel. That's the whole thing now. That's my whole gimmick. But before I get carried away and addicted to those, I should probably thank the people who made the trip to Computex possible. That being all our wonderful patrons like Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Dev Panda, Bartosz Voka, Patrick Harrison, Not Pseudonym, Max Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lensby, Level Up, and Robert Sanders. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.